Hello, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. So this is the first mystery box I've ever done. My good friend who runs Flip Supply decided to do this with me, so I'll be picking up a mystery box. I'm not sure on the value so far, but we'll unbox it and I'll show you. But yeah, we'll go and do that now, and then we'll get straight into the video. So we're on our way to pick up the box now. It's just in the center of town. It's like a 10-15 minute drive, and then we'll take it back and unbox it for you, try and show you some B-roll of the route as well. So not really expecting how this is going to go because never done a mystery box before. Don't really know how many pairs is going to be in the box either. So I really hope it fits in the car, but we'll see in about 30 seconds. Perfect. Yeah, wow, heavy as well. How many pairs is it? 5. Can't wait. So we've just picked up the mystery box and now heading home. Probably gonna pick up some food on the way back. Thinking of Nando's, but this video is not sponsored by Nando's. And then we'll film the video either tonight or tomorrow. And I hope you like the video. It's my first ever mystery box and hopefully I've got more to come. So now we're back in the studio and this is the mystery box here. Big shout out once again to Flip Supply for supplying this mystery box. I have no idea what shoes are in here. I'm hoping there's some pretty good stuff that I don't have. So yeah, I guess we'll just open up the box. Got some scissors here. Do not know if they'll be able to open it, but right. So I see a few good boxes here. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I'm trying to think of a way to turn this box so you can probably see it. That work better. Right, so I'll open out each one individually. I'll let you know which ones I'll be keeping and which ones I'll think about selling depending on what shoes are in the box. First one, we have a Nike red box. I'm not going to look at the label because I feel that spoils the fun. So I'm just going to open it up and you'll get my honest reaction. Oh, nice. Oh, comes with a little Flip Supply, RealorFakeOfficial, and enjoy the shoes. These are lovely. So these are the Court Purple Dunks. That purple absolutely bangs. I really do like this shoe. And this is actually one I've never had in the collection. So shout out to Flip Supply for doing their research because I've never had these before and this is one I will be keeping. So I'll take the shoes out and I'll just display them on the shelves here just so you can see all the ones that I picked up today. So we'll get rid of the Seafoams and put the Court Purples up here instead. So that's the first one done. Pretty happy with that pair. And we'll move on to the second one. I can see an SB box, I can see a black box, and I can see another red Nike box, and I think I see a Yeezy box. So we'll go with the Yeezy one next. I've had a lot of Yeezys, so I wonder if I've had this pair as well. It is a 350 V2. What colorway? What do we think? This is the mixed rock colorway. So I have actually had a few pairs of these before, but a really clean colorway in my opinion. Can't really go wrong with a full black Yeezy. I know it does have hints of other colors in it, but the majority of it is black. So a black Yeezy, it's just an everyday sneaker for me. So this is the next one. I probably will be letting these ones go just because I've had a few of these in the collection and I've got a few other black Yeezys as well. So I'll take these out and put these on the shelf as well. So we have 3 boxes remaining. We have a Nike SB box, a black Jordan box it looks like, and a Nike red box again. I think I'm going for the black one just because I don't know what this one is. I'm not going to look at the label again. I'm going to guess one low. I don't think the mids come in the boxes, but low. So this is another one I've never had in the collection before. So this is the Jordan 1 chocolate, I believe. I actually really like this as well. It's got like obviously has a brown colored material going around the outer side, which gives off that chocolate vibe. Not too sure I like the sock liner. It's got this like fluffy pink material. I'll give you a close up of that. But overall, a clean colorway that I've never actually, I don't think I've even seen these being released before, but really nice. Chocolate brown, and obviously the Air Jordan Wings logo on the back, and then obviously black tread on the bottom. But a nice clean colorway, kind of gives me a Travis Scott kind of vibes. Goes pretty well with the hoodie and stuff I'm wearing right now. But it looks kind of like a cheap version of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Moccas. So if you can't afford them, I would say go for these ones. So I have 2 boxes left. One is a Nike Red box, and one, as I said, is a purple SB box. I think I'm gonna go for the SB box. I hope it's good. I really hope it's a good SB. So open it up. Just caught a glimpse of the material. It is the Paisley Dunks in the brown colorway. These are nice. I actually didn't like them in photos, but I actually do like them in person. So it's actually quite weird colors that they've chosen to use on this. So the overall shoe is a brown. Then over the top of that, they've got a green, pink, and light blue color pattern over the top. I'm not too sure if that actually goes. I've been looking at it for a while now, and the more I look at it, the less I think it goes. I actually think they were nicer when I just took them out of the box straight away, but now looking at them for a while, I'm not sure. This is quite a hard shoe to pull off, I think. I do like the white laces and the white swoosh with a contrasting brown. I just think the pattern over the top is just a little bit too much. However, I think I'm actually probably going to keep these just because I'm going to probably do a comparison on this shoe later on. So we'll take these out and put them on the shelf as well. Put these right at the top. Don't even know if this is on the camera. And now we're on to the last box, and I think it's going to be a dunk. Not sure which colorway. Comment down below if you can guess what colorway this is going to be. Oh, it's a Dunk High Panda. These are clean. I do actually prefer the lows, but the highs, you really can't go wrong with a black and white dunk. I'm not sure if these are reselling or anything like that, just because I don't really go for the highs. I think I've got 1 pair of highs, and it's the grey pair, but they're just hard to wear, I think, with that high collar. It's just a little bit more chunky than a Jordan 1, but still, once again, can't really go wrong with a Nike Dunk High in the Panda colorway. So another clean pair, and that pretty much finishes the box off. I'm pretty happy with the pairs that I picked up. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite pair. I'll put them out all on the table right now and we can check them out. So in front of me are all the pairs that were supplied in the mystery box. I think personally my favorite 2 are these 2 here, but I do actually, these are growing on me. These chocolate Jordan 1 lows, they are growing on me. I just wish they didn't have that pink material on the inside of the sock liner. I will be keeping these 2 and probably letting these 2 go, and I'm still unsure about these, but I will let you guys know. But thank you very much for watching. This is my first ever mystery box that I've done on this channel, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day.